Before I get started, comment down below with one winter styling mistake that you have been struggling to fix this year. Hi guys, I'm Ishita Khanna and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a great start to 2025. In this video, I'm going to be sharing 8 winter styling mistakes that you could be making and how to fix them. So let's get started. Mistake number 1 is ignoring the proportion of boots. Now in winter season, we obviously wear a lot of boots, and if you don't get the proportion right with your outfit and you don't balance out the silhouette, it can look very shabby. For example, if you have over the knee boots and you decide to pair them with long loose skirts or maxi dresses or even baggy jeans, it's going to look very unbalanced and unpolished. Instead, try to style these over the knee boots with mini skirts, shorts or even skinny jeans to balance out the silhouette. This will help you create an illusion of elongated legs as well and a balanced silhouette. On the other hand, if you're wearing shorter boots like combat boots or lace-up boots, you can pair it with an outfit that's slightly more voluminous and baggy on the top. Mistake number 2 in this winter season is shying away from color. Now, I know I love my neutral color palette when it comes to winter fashion, and I always talk about creating a collection of those. I always recommend that. But your entire outfit doesn't always have to be blacks or grays. Just like today, I've added this burgundy cardigan on top that adds a pop of color to my outfit despite my pants being gray and my innerwear being black. But adding a little pop of color in the form of scarves, hats, caps, or even the outerwear that you're wearing is a great trend this season. This instantly elevates your outfit, brightens up those grey winter days, so do not shy away from experimenting with some bold colors this season. Styling mistake number 3 is over layering or under layering. Now, if you're over layering, you're going to end up looking extremely bulky. On the other hand, if you're under layering, you're gonna die shivering. So the key here is to balance it out. The best formula for layering is to start off with a thermal base layer, then add a chic sweater, and finally top it off with a coat. You can go ahead and experiment with different textures like wool, faux fur, leather to add a little more depth to your outfit. This basically means that you need to invest in the right base layers that are functional and protect you from the heat. I would highly recommend Uniqlo because it is great value for money and it is so good. If you've liked this video so far, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel and watch the video till the end because mistake number 8 is really important. Mistake number 4 is wearing ill-fitted sweaters. A sweater that's too baggy or too tight can completely ruin your look. So find a sweater that flatters your shape. For example, wear fitted or cropped sweaters if you're wearing something high-waisted, or go for a relaxed fit if you're planning to wear slim bottoms to balance out your silhouette and look great in your outfit. However, if you do like wearing oversized sweaters, a great option is to try out different tucks. What I love is trying out the half tuck. It looks very stylish and ups your style game a little bit more. Next up, sticking to just one coat. Now, of course, we all have that one favorite winter coat that we always reach out to for all our outfits, but it is important to have a variety of jackets in our wardrobe. For example, have a trench coat, have an overcoat, have a jacket, have a leather jacket so that you are wearing appropriate clothes for different occasions and different weather conditions as well. Because obviously when winter kicks in, you don't really need to pull out your puffer jackets, but as it gradually gets colder, you do need more puffy and heavier jackets. So it's important to have them in your wardrobe. Don't have to buy them all together. You can invest in them gradually, especially during the sale season. And Zara right now has a great sale, so do check those out because you can find some really cool finds at some really good prices. Mistake number 6 is related to makeup. Now, it's not really related to clothing, but it is a part of fashion, so I have to share it with you. During winter season, avoid heavy foundations and powder products because they tend to crack very easily in the cold, dry air. Instead, opt for lightweight and hydrating products, maybe creamy products that leave your skin moisturized instead of using more drying products. And make sure to set your makeup with a setting spray to make it last all day and make it look more hydrating. And when it comes to skincare, apply tons of moisturizer and SPF even if the sun's not out. Number 7, not investing in a quality capsule winter wardrobe. Now, this makes life super easy, saves you time, and ensures that you have versatile options every day to mix and match and create new outfit options every single day. For this, you need to invest in some essentials like neutral sweaters, classic coats, maybe some boots that match with all your outfits. Now, I know we all want to save money, but investing in slightly more expensive quality basics that are maybe 800 or 1000 rupees more but they will last you longer and they look a lot better, have better fabric. So make sure that you are looking out for them maybe during the sale season, but don't compromise on quality, especially when it comes to your winter capsule wardrobe. My next video is going to be a capsule wardrobe challenge for the winter season, so make sure to tune in for that. It's going to go live next Sunday. And last but not the least, if you're wearing a short jacket over a long sweater, please stop. That's like the biggest winter fashion faux pas that you can make. The layering should always start from the shortest layer to the longest layer. The longest layer should always be your outermost layer. This helps create a balanced and a more polished silhouette. So these were some quick fashion winter mistakes that you could have been making and how you can fix them. Let me know in the comments down below if there's something else that you're struggling with. I'd love to help you guys out, and I will see you guys in my next video next Sunday. Until then, bye bye.